Navigating the paper jungle, using grid references and coordinates. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. In this episode, we'll be diving into a very interesting and practical topic: how to use physical maps. We'll focus on a very important skill, using grid references and coordinates. You might think, why do I need to learn this? I have GPS and digital maps. Yes, you're right. But, remember, understanding the basics can help you not only in learning English, but also in developing your navigation skills, even when technology fails. Let's get started. First, we need to understand what grid references and coordinates are. Grid references are alphanumeric labels used on maps to quickly identify a location. Think of it like the game of Battleship. You call out B7, and you have identified a unique spot on the board. Coordinates, on the other hand, are pairs, or triplets, of numbers used to determine an exact location within a geographical area, typically on a map or a chart. The most common types are latitude and longitude coordinates, which locate points on the globe. But on smaller scale maps, like city maps, you may see simpler forms, like 4, 3, or 6, 5, much like points on a graph in math. Now, how do we read grid references? It's a simple and straightforward process. In most cases, you'll see a grid overlay on the map, with columns and rows labeled with letters and numbers respectively. To locate a point, you follow the grid reference in the order it's given. Let's say we have a 4. You'd first find A on the horizontal axis, then move to 4 on the vertical axis. Where the two lines intersect, that's your location. Understanding coordinates is also quite simple. When you see a pair of numbers, like 2, 3, the first number is the x-coordinate, or eastings, and the second number is the y-coordinate, or northings. Starting from the origin, or 0, 0, you move 2 units to the east, and then 3 units to the north, and you're there. You may ask, where do we use these? Good question. Grid references and coordinates come in handy when you're hiking, camping, orienteering, or in any situation where digital signals might not be reliable. They're also commonly used in games and activities, where you might need to find a hidden treasure or reach a specific point. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you now have a good understanding of grid references and coordinates, and you'll be able to use them in your English conversations. Not only will you sound smarter, but you might also find yourself helping others to navigate one day. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy mapping, and see you in our next video.